Hello everyone and namaskarams. Radhika and I are very happy to be here and to be speaking to you all. And we wish to congratulate Gayatri Fine Arts on the completion of their recent online music series, the Gotuvadyam Narayana Iyengar Shishya Parampara music series that has been premiering on their Facebook page and YouTube channel. In fact, Gayatri Fine Arts has completed about 17 events so far, and we have been part of their Shivaratri and Navaratri festivals.
Their recently concluded event, which is the Gotuvadyam Narayana Iyengar Shishya Parampara series, showcased the concerts of many of their Shishyas. As we all know, Gotuvadyam Narayana Iyengar was a Maha Vidwan, and he was the one who brought Gotuvadhyam to the concert platform. His contribution to the field of music was immense and immeasurable. His Sangeeta Parampara continues with the great Maha Vidwan Chitravina Narasimhan Mama, who is again a great guru, a true Nada yogi, and then it's continued by his sons, the very famous Chitravina maestro Ravi Kiranji, Shashi Kiranji, daughter Kirnavali, and Chitravina Ganesh.
In fact, this music series that just got completed began as a part of 80th birthday celebrations of Chitravina Narasimhan Mama, and it gives such joy to see the Shishyas carry forward the tradition of such an illustrious parampara. This is the right way to pay our respects to a guru and to celebrate his music.
This recent series had about 50 concerts in total, and it has been happening since July 17th.
So we wish to offer our congratulations to Gayatri Fine Arts, which was founded by our dear friend Chitravina Ganesh, and also to the pillar of strength behind Gayatri Fine Arts, the Mrs. Vidya Venkatesh, who has been organizing all these events. May you continue to give us such lovely programs, and may your service towards music continue. Our best wishes to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaskaram. Nadam, music, is a panacea to all diseases. In such unprecedented times when people are concerned about the health of their near and dear ones, we as Rasikas are very, very happy to be witnessing such beautiful programs. You may ask where? Gayatri Fine Arts Global, which is an initiative by Vidwan Chitravina Ganesh and his Sishyas, and especially Vidya's contribution as a director, it has been organizing the Gotuvadyam Sri Narayana Iyengar Shishya Parampara series, where the sincere students of Vidwans like Shriman Narasimhan, Ravi Kiran, Sashi Kiran, Kiranavali and Ganesh worldwide are presenting such beautiful compositions of Mahavidwans. And as Rasikas, and especially I can speak for myself, as a Rasika myself, I am absolutely enjoying all the programs. I would request and urge each of you to make some time and take the essence of the Nadam that is being given to us by the Sishyas of all these Mahavidwans. Namaskar.
Namaste from Burma. In traditional Indian classical music as well as in many other fields in India, Parampara or lineage is one of the highly cherished and valued assets. And one of the classic examples of someone who is part of such a great lineage, which started before him, he and after him, is Mahavidwan Chitravina Sri Narasimhan. I've had the privilege and pleasure of being acquainted with him from mid-1980s. So it is more than 30 years now. And he is one of those few people I know who has always remained the same. When I first met him, his hair was jet black. That became a little white. Apart from that, there is absolutely no change in his energy, in the sharpness of his mind, in his dynamism. He's one extraordinary musician who is so accomplished, but contrary to the current social media trend where people try and display and show off whatever they know and even magnify and inflate and show what they know. If a small child knows one song, you can find that one song out on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. So in that context, when you look at Chitravina Narasimhan, that it is unbelievable, because in Carnatic music we have compositions, we have improvisation, we have melody, we have gamakams, we have talam. In every area he's so strong. If we just take just one aspect of rhythm, rhythm is so strong in South Indian classical music tradition. It is one of the best in the whole world. And just in talam complexity, what this gentleman has done is immeasurable. Even full-time percussionists would be stunned to see what he has accomplished. But he lives his life quietly, and like a banyan tree where most of the roots are underground and we don't see them, but the roots are so vast, that is what helps the structure remain. Like that, so much of his knowledge is hidden. While like a banyan tree, he offers his shade and his shelter and support to so many children, both biological children as well as musical children. And at a personal level, I was studying with Dr. Mangalampalli Balamuralikrishna sir for many decades. And being a celebrity, I would always find people visiting him for some selfish reason, to get a recommendation or for something or the other, to get with some agenda. While Sri Narasimhan, he is one of the few people I have seen who would just visit him from time to time, say hello, have a pleasant conversation and just leave, with absolutely no selfish motive. It is very rare to find a person like that. So I was very happy when Vidwan Sri Sasikiran informed me that it was his Shatabhishekam, and now Chitravina Sri Ganesh has informed me that Gayatri Fine Arts GFA Global is putting up an event spanning several days honoring this amazing Vidwan. And Srimati Vidya Venkatesh has been very efficiently coordinating the whole thing. I'm sorry that the pandemic is going on and all of us are stuck at home. So I hope that for his centenary, all of us will actually get together physically and honor this most amazing Vidwan. Namaste. My prayers and best wishes.
எல்லாருக்கும் நமஸ்காரம். இந்த காயத்ரி ஃபைன் ஆர்ட்ஸ் குளோபல் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷனை ரொம்ப சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக நடத்திட்டு எல்லாருக்குமே வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்து இதை நடத்துகிற வித்யா வெங்கடேஷ் அவர்களுக்கு என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். இப்போது நாராயண ஐயங்கார் பரம்பரை, அதில் கோட்டுவாத்தியம் நாராயண ஐயங்காருடைய பரம்பரையில் வாசிக்கிற எல்லா கலைஞர்களுக்கும், எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும், கற்றுக்கிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் எல்லாருக்கும் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். இதில் கோட்டுவாத்தியம் நாராயண ஐயங்கார் கோட்டுவாத்தியத்தை அவர் தான் பிரபலப்படுத்தினார். அவர் தான் ஃபேமஸ் பண்ணி நிறைய இடத்துல வாசித்து நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரிகிற மாதிரி பண்ணினார். அதனால் இந்த கோட்டுவாத்தியத்துக்கு முக்கியத்துவம் கொடுத்து கோட்டுவாத்தியம் நாராயண ஐயங்கார் பரம்பரையில் அந்த கச்சேரிகளை நடத்தி எல்லாரும் கற்றுண்டு மேலும் மேலும் நல்லா விருத்தி அடைஞ்சு எல்லாரும் பெரிய வித்வானாக வரணும்னு என்னுடைய ஆசை.
This is Nirmala Rajashekar. On the happy occasion of the Sadabhishekam of the most respected and dear Narasimhan Mama, it is our privilege to offer our namaskarams to Mama and seek his blessings. Hearty congratulations to Gayatri Fine Arts for the wonderful year of GFA global activities that you have been doing. The variety of the programs, the excellence of the quality of the programs and the number of programs that you have offered have been very, very special. And I'm very happy to have been part of this festival of yours as well. We look forward to more and more musical moments that come from you, and we look forward to walking with you in this journey in service of Nada. Very warm greetings and congratulations once again. Namaskaram.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I would like to first of all compliment Gayatri Fine Arts for organizing the Parampara festival featuring the Shishya Parampara of the legend Gotuvadyam Narayana Iyengar, and also making it a tribute to one of the leading gurus, Chitravina Narasimhan. There were so many talented youngsters who got an opportunity through this platform. I wish them all good luck and hope that they continue their journey with passion, dedication to both the art and to the pursuit of excellence in music. Also wish Gayatri Fine Arts many more such wonderful ventures to promote talents from all over the world, and also ensure that we propagate the values of Carnatic music globally. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Namaste. My name is Kiranavali. I'm the granddaughter of Shri Gotuvadyam Narayana Iyengar, the daughter of Shri Chitravina Narasimhan. So, Gotuvadyam Narayana Iyengar, I've never met my grandfather. All the knowledge, information I have about him is through my dad's accounts of him. Appa has always said that Tata was a huge sadhaka, all the time at his instrument, at his music. And there came a time in my grandfather's life that if he just touched the instrument, merely strummed the strings, so much nadam would emanate from it. And his playing caused so much joy to anyone who was even passing by the house. They would sometimes have to tell him to stop because they just couldn't take that level of joy. I really wish I had been alive to see this great music. My father keeps saying that he's not heard such nadam or such joyful music anywhere since my grandfather's times. And that must be a lot, because Appa has heard practically all the musicians of those times, of my grandfather's times as well, all the people of the golden era. And if Appa has to say that even 50, 60 years after my grandfather's demise, that must be something. Appa himself is a wonderful musician. Everybody knows that. Everybody who's come in contact with Appa knows what a thorough musician he is. Be it Lakshya, the aesthetics, or Lakshana, Appa is up there. I've never seen a better exponent of any of the Manodharma aspects: Raga Alapana, Tanam singing, Neraval, Kalpana Swarams, then Ragam Tanam Pallavis, and then just compositions. Appa made us respect the value of every single type of composition, because he not only understood the meanings and the ragas, but also the perfect context in which it was composed. So he taught us to respect all kinds of compositions, the greatness of all the composers, and try to understand and sing it with the right bhava. So nothing in music was tasteful learning. Nothing could not be sung better. Everything could always be sung at the highest quality. So that is the value that Appa has imparted to all of us, his students. My brothers and I, Ravi Kiran, Shashi Kiran and I, and Ganesh, we have all had so much to learn, and we continue to learn from Appa, because Appa keeps ahead of everyone all the time, because he himself is at it 24/7. If there is a doubt that we have, Appa will always have an answer. If he does not, he will immediately learn whatever it is before he talks to us about it. And within a few minutes, we would get answers with right referencing. So that's how thorough Appa is. And my brothers, in each of my brothers in their own way, they've trailblazed in the musical world, and I'm so proud to be their sister, watching all their achievements. And all of them have extremely good jnanam. They've all contributed from a very young age, like age of 2 onwards, and they've made their own mark in the field, both as performers, as teachers, as people talking about music and musical aspects. And they've successfully made a name for themselves as scholars and somebody to look up to. They have their own huge Shishya Paramparas. I'm happy that Gayatri Fine Arts has showcased a lot of these Shishyas today, and I'm hoping that very soon we will have another festival that showcases many more students, that too in person, through day-long festivals, hopefully multiple days. I'm also happy that some of my own students have also been featured in this festival, and I hope we can all be a part of a much bigger festival in person very soon. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaskaram. My name is Gokul Chandramouli. I am a musician from Maryland, USA. It's a huge blessing and honor for me to convey my namaskarams and pranams to the great Maha Vidwan, Chitravina Narasimhan sir, on the occasion of his 80th birthday. Although personally I don't have interaction with sir, I have heard a lot about you, dear sir, from Kiranavali Akka. I have also heard a lot about you from your students, and I pray to Almighty for continued service to music, a long life first of all, continued service to music, and for you to be a continuous source of inspiration, not only for your students and your Shishya Parampara, but also for the music fraternity as a whole. I have been closely following the programs conducted by Gayatri Fine Arts, wherein some of the gems of this Shishya Parampara were given an opportunity to display their talent, and it has been an immense learning opportunity for me to listen to everyone, and I have really enjoyed all of the programs that were conducted by Gayatri Fine Arts in the last several months. Again, wish you a very, very happy birthday, sir. My namaskarams and pranams to you on this occasion. Thank you.